Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Robin. Today I actually prepared some very exciting products, and some of them I personally purchased them and some I didn't. Here I have total 12 products and 2 brushes, and some I did purchase from Sephora and Bobbi Brown. So I'm going to review the product that I received and I purchased, and I'm really excited to show you what are the products that I purchased and received. First product is a brush. I received 2 brushes from my company. This is a Shiseido foundation brush. The brush shape is pretty unique because it's a round shape and there's a cutting here, cutting in the edge. This is a jelly applicator that you can just apply foundation on your skin and buff with this brush side. And this is so effortless and really quick and fast. I'll use my fingertip to just spread them first. And using the jelly applicator, just roughly dot all over your face. And use the brush side, just gonna buff in. The brush has really large size. It really blends everything so quickly, and look how soft and smooth it is. See, the skin makeup is already finished and it's really quick and fast. It's just so effortless. And if you really purchase this brush, I don't think you'll ever regret it, because I never saw and own such foundation brush that applies so quickly and so effortless, and this is so easy to use foundation. So if you're a novice and if you never tried any makeup brushes yet, then this is the brush that you should definitely try out. Really just buff everything in so quickly, and the size is really huge. Just use circular motion and buff into the skin. Minimize any pores and fine lines and just smooth out the texture of your skin. I think it's really worth the money. You should purchase this brush. I think it's really good brush. Next is also a brush. However, this is already discontinued from NARS because this is made of animal hair. This is NARS Kabuki Kudoki brush. Since I received this product, I personally think I'll use this brush to define and line my eyes, or if I have an eyeliner, then I'll use this brush to diffuse, or if I do some Caucasian makeup, then I'll use this brush to really define the eye circuit. But for me personally, if I use this brush, I think I'll use this brush more for the smudging the line or really define my eyes. So I ordered this brush as well, and I'll try this brush later because we have so many products to review. Okay, next product is I personally purchased it from Sephora. This is Fenty Beauty Match Stick. Opening new product is always fun. Let me read the okay, there's no how to use or anything. Okay, never mind. There's no instruction guide here on the box. It's totally fine. So this is the Fenty Beauty Match Stick, and this is my first time purchasing Fenty Beauty product because honestly I was a bit skeptical about Fenty Beauty because celebrity just came out and launching new cosmetic product. However, it's been I've been hearing a lot of reviews and many people saying, oh, the Fenty Beauty is so fantastic, Fenty Beauty. So I just decided to give it a try, and this is my first Fenty Beauty product and I'm really excited to try. Almost like a contour shade, and I purchased this shade to contour my face or using it as a bronzing stick. Net weight is 7.10 gram. Okay, I think it was $38. I don't remember how much was it exactly because it's been a while. I'm gonna use this brush, pick up the product, and let me see how this looks pretty natural. I thought it's gonna be very pigmented or very thick and heavy, but it's actually very light. Seems to be light. Oh, okay. This is nice. Let me try to just glide it over my skin. Oh, the color is pretty sheer. Oh, I thought it's gonna be very pigmented, but it's pretty sheer, which I like it. Easy to blend. First impression. Well, this product, I like it. It's really good product. Okay, so I have contoured my face here and my nose, and I really think this product is worth purchase. Okay, so next product is I purchased this sample size because I didn't really want to chase the large product, the original size. And this is Becca Liquid and Light Highlight Kit. Okay, so let me read how to use these products. Okay, this is like an alien, some kind of UFO shape. And this is the little guy here. This is 2, the sample size. The content is 15 ml and this is 2.4 grams. Okay, that's pretty nice. I remember it was price was 37, 38. And there's a hole behind here. So if you need to depot it, I think it's more easy for you to depot it. And there's a small little mirror, so if you need to look yourself here, and then you can, you know, see at least doing some, you know, touch-ups or highlighting, whatever. I think I'll try this one product each on each side. I heard a lot of review about this Lika Shimmering Skin Perfector. So this is really new product, so I did it. This is the Skin Perfector. Okay, this is pretty cute. It's like a golden ivory. The lighting is a bit, yeah, golden ivory shade. And let me try this liquid as well. Liquid. Okay, there's no inner seal here, which is quite not a preferably a good thing. Well, this liquid highlighter seems to be very pigmented and it's really rich. It's almost like I think the formula itself is almost like a foundation kind of formula. It feels like kind of foundation, but it really has a lot of shimmers. It really feels like a foundation. Oh, yes. It's pretty heavily perfumed. It smells like downy fabric softener kind of smell. I wouldn't comment about the fragrance and perfume, although it's not good for your skin. It may irritate your skin, make your skin more sensitive. It really depends on preference. If you like perfume, then why not? But I personally don't really like this perfume. This is really heavily scented. Yeah, it's very heavily scented. But I think I want to just keep smelling. It's like a downy fabric softener. Okay, so I'm gonna try this product on this side. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, I think I barely can see any shimmers, so I might go a little bit more. So I have more here. Let's see. By the way, the shimmers is really fine shimmer. I like it. It's really natural. Just looks like natural reflection of light from the skin. Because I don't really like those, you know, shimmer and sparkle glow. It's almost like a natural skin glow. Oh, do you see this glow? It's so glamorous. Well, I like this color and I really like this texture. Although it's pretty heavily scented and I can still smell it. It's like my product is here and it just goes all the way from here to my nose like this. It's just pretty heavily scented. So if you're pretty sensitive skin, then you should avoid this product because fragrance ingredient may cause skin irritation. Yeah, I think I might go over nose bridge. Or you can really mix with your foundation so you can really get that glowy looking complexion. Oh, my cupid's bow. I'm still using the liquid highlighter in the center of my lips so my lips can look more fuller. Okay, so this liquid highlighter is on my cheek here and my nose eyebrow bone here, nose bridge, upper lips and lower lips. And next I'm going to use the powder highlighter on this side and my chin. Let's see how it looks like. And it's been a while already, but I can still smell this product is hitting my sense of smell. Like from here all the way to my nose, it's just hitting it so heavily. It's really heavily scented. Okay, for highlighter, I think I'll use this brush. This is Etude House brush. Contouring, I think. Yeah, brush 130 contour. Okay, the product is here on the brush. Let's see. Wow, it's really pigmented. I can really see this blinding light from my cheek and it's really strong. It's really highly pigmented. I really like this kind of formula because if you use very little, you can really create natural glow, like lit from within kind of look. I can tell the difference already. The difference between these two, liquid and powder. The powder is more strong reflection of light, as you can see. Liquid side is more soft and diffused light. So it looks more natural on this side. It just really looks like a natural reflection of light. Maybe it's just because of the color, but this side is while providing really blinding light. It's almost like it's really strong. You can maybe use this product all over your face and apply foundation over it. Maybe you can go underneath your foundation. It really depends on you. But I Anyway, I really like this product. I think I'm going to remove this highlighting powder and going to balance with this product. Okay, so my skin is now balanced with this liquid highlighter, and next product I'm going to review is another bronzing powder from NARS. Once I open this product, there's a product inside, and there's a really generously huge mirror here. Okay, so I have taken off the plastic already, and this is the bronzing powder, how it looks like. Although it's more orangey here, but actually in person it seems to be more ashy. There's nothing more I can say. It looks more ashy and it's like a golden glow. It's a very nice color. It's beautiful. This is a color on my finger. It's nice bronzing shade with a little bit of golden shimmers inside, so I'm pretty sure this product will really make the skin texture looks very smooth and fine. For this bronzing powder, I'm going to use this NARS Ita brush, and they are like a best friend. Go underneath my cheekbone. I'm going to diffuse, but I'm going to focus more on here so I can really concentrate that depth and dimension here under my cheekbone. Ita brush and the NARS bronzing powder is really an iconic product, so there's nothing much I can review because everybody knows about this product already. However, my impression about this powder is it really gives me very natural bronze effect, as you can see, and I really can see that it looks more like a natural tan, like you went to some tan. Some bronzing powder, they has more about too much yellow pigments or too much gray pigments, so it looks like it looks ashy or it looks like a dirt on your face. But this bronzing powder just looks so natural. Looks like you went for sun tanning and the skin is sun kissed and bronzed. So I really like this product because of the result and effect. I mean, if you purchase a bronzing powder and it looks like you have a dirt on your face, then how frustrating it is. I can also go over my forehead. By the way, fun fact about this Ita brush is it's called Itabake in Japan. For geisha, they use this Ita brush to apply the paint on the face. It's actually a rice powder with the water. So they really use this product to apply all over the face and their neck and their body, whatever, their hand. So I think this brush is pretty unique in terms of the shape. So if you really try this product, I think it's really worth the money. And this kind of bronzing powder, the shade is pretty unique because so far I've found many bronzing powder has either ashy or too much orange feeling there, so it looks like a walking orange or a mud on the face. So if you really try this bronzing powder out, I think you're gonna be really happy with it. And you also have a very generously huge mirror here, which I really appreciate. Alright, next product I'm going to review is this two eyeshadow palettes from Smashbox, and the name is Smashbox Cover Shot Eyeshadow Palette. This is more of a green, khaki, orange color palette, and this is neutral, blue, navy kind of palette. By the way, Sephora, they were on 50% off, so I couldn't just stop myself from purchasing this product. Okay, so this is the palette, how it looks like. The shape is a shape-shifting case. Well, it also has a very huge, generous size mirror inside. Actually, I like both palettes, but this can be look more unique and this can be look more classic, I think. Really, it seems very pigmented. Let me try one of this color here. Let me swatch all of those colors. In my arm, this color is here and this color is here. It's almost invisible. It's very light colors, and following by this color is the third color here. It's pretty pigmented, and this color is here, almost invisible, and the rest of the four shade is here. Okay, so I swatched the colors here on back of my hand, and this color here is this color, and the next color is this color, and the rest following by the palette. And how do you think? I personally feel that shimmer colors are pretty pigmented and you can really see a lot of shimmers, but the matte colors seems to be more lighter than I thought. But I think it's really worth the money because it was on 50% off, very generous discount. And since I have two different palettes, I think I'll use just these two palettes together to create soft and natural eye look, and by using this Kudoki Kabuki brush. Okay, first I'm going to use this navy color. I think it's pretty unique. go quite close to my... Wow, that's very pigmented. It's really strong. Okay, without taking more products, whatever that's left on the brush, let me try on the other eye as well. Okay, let me take my word back. The matte shadow is super pigmented. It's really strong. It's highly pigmented. Wow. And then I'll soften this color, this navy color, with this neutral brown shade from Desert palette. When I first swatched them on back of my hand, it wasn't so pigmented and rather looked patchy, but it actually blends so easily on my eye. I think these two eyeshadow palette is pretty unique and you can really use them together with your any eyeshadow palette or any eyeshadow that you already have. So it's more easy for you to curate your makeup wardrobe, I think. Okay, so let me soften out those edges by using... Maybe I'll use this color here. And I'm gonna soften out those edges. How do you like this color combination? I really like this combination. It looks very sultry. Navy in the near lash line and brown and then yellow brown. I think the eyeshadow palette was a worth purchase and I really like the color payoff and the color combination. It's really unique palette that, especially this kind of navy palette, is pretty useful colors for sure. I really like this palette. It's really worth purchase. Okay, next product.